Namaste everybody, this is Kunal Mehta from Make Me Scientific, and in this video we are going to understand the effect of the length of the conductor on its resistance. So just my previous video was a short demonstration as well as a question for the audience, right? And in that I was varying the length of the graphite conductor, a small graphite rod which I had used in the experiment, and I was trying to show the effect of that on the brightness of the bulb. So the electric current is going to come out like this. It will pass through the bulb, it will enter into the red wire, and then from red wire it will go to end A of the graphite rod, then A to B, B into the yellow wire, and then back into the negative terminal of the battery. Let's turn on the battery. The potential difference is kept at 6 volts. Now one end of the wire is touched at end A of the graphite rod. You can see the brightness of the bulb is less. Sliding this wire towards end B, we see that the brightness of the bulb increases as a result of the decrease in the length and decrease in the resistance. So what is the actual underlying principle over here? We know that R is equal to rho L upon A. Resistance is directly proportional to the length of the conductor. So if you decrease the length of the conductor, then the resistance decreases and vice versa. Now, the battery voltage is kept fixed. In this video, in this demonstration, the battery voltage is kept at 6 volts. So V is equal to I into R as per the Ohm's law. V is kept constant. Now, if the length of the graphite rod decreases, right? Actually, I'm not cutting the graphite rod. I'm just sliding the wire on the graphite rod and the current finds the shortest route. So on sliding the wire from end A towards end B, the length of the graphite rod through which the electric current passes decreases. So if the resistance decreases, then what is going to happen is the current increases because V is constant. So V is equal to I into R. So if R decreases, I increases. So the power across the bulb is given by I square into R. Now R is the resistance of the bulb, which is constant. So if the current keeps on increasing through the bulb, then the product I square R, that is the power across the bulb, will increase. So the brightness of the bulb also increases. So I hope you have understood this demonstration very well. Thank you for watching.